Well, good morning, Arkansas, and a very happy Monday to everybody out there around the natural state. We have seen some very beneficial rains over the last couple of days across the state. Most of us saw two inches of rain. A few saw a little bit more, and a few saw a little bit less. But overall, most of us saw our first inch or more of rain than what we've seen since the start of June. So, very much a beneficial rain. Of course, we are seeing what is left of that rain starting to move out of southeast Arkansas this morning. But for the most part, again, we are seeing that very dry air mass that we have been talking about for a couple days that has been filtering into the state late afternoon on Sunday and overnight last night. Of course, coming in this morning around the state, a very nice morning around the state. Coming in at 63 in Fayetteville, 68 in Mena, 66 in DeQueen, 70 in El Dorado, 72 down in Monticello, 66 in Batesville, 64 in Clinton, and of course 70 here in the capital city. A very nice morning, very unusual compared to what we normally see for the month of July. Of course, I know we will take anything we can get this time of year, but again, a very nice morning starting off, and that will really be the case throughout the day. A very nice Monday is ahead for us with low humidity and below average temperatures. Remember, our typical average this time of year is about 93, and most of us should see only the 80s this afternoon. So well below average for this time of year, but nothing too extreme. Of course, we will still be watching for a few isolated to widely scattered showers or storms with an upper low moving off to our north. Nowhere near the coverage that we've seen the past couple days, but again, a very isolated to widely scattered shower storm is still possible with our daytime heating. As we head into the overnight hours, it's going to be clear and a mild overnight ahead, but that humidity will start to return as we head into our day on Tuesday. After all, it is summertime and the low humidity does not last long. So once again, how does our weather look around the state for our folks in the Ozarks? It's going to be generally a partly cloudy day with a few isolated shower storms. Y'all will be the coolest up there, coming in the upper 70s to around 80, with our lows down into the lower 60s overnight. As we head south towards the central part of the state, the rain chances won't be near as high. Again, still on the low side either way, but we still can see a stray shower or storm here or there. The best story is going to be lower humidity and sunshine mixed with a few clouds this afternoon, and our highs back into the mid 80s versus the typical 90s that we see this time of year. Of course, the warmer spots in the state will be down in southern Arkansas, where we still have a very isolated chance to see a shower or storm there, but even then our highs will only be in the upper 80s to around 90. And again, with the low humidity, heat index will not be a factor, so therefore it will actually feel like the 80s and the 70s to around 90 compared to what we normally see. Our lows overnight do come up a bit than what we saw this morning, but still quite pleasant for the month of July. Of course, that will change as we head throughout the upcoming week. Cameron will have more on that and the heat wave coming in later on this week, this evening, right here on your source for all things Arkansas weather.